I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
So it is August 3rd. I don't know if it's like mental, but I'm in pain. I'm in a pain, and I'm in pain in one specific area of my body where I'm just like, what the hell is going on? I'm having abdominal pains, I'm having back pains. It's bad, like my entire body paining me. But so the premise of these videos, right? So these are going to be vlogs. So it's going to continue being vlog style because I'm learning how to kind of edit in this way. So apart from this being like MADAV feed, I'm learning myself. Yeah. No. I'm learning myself like new skills, like new ways how to edit. I'm familiarizing myself with new editors. So yeah, so I truly appreciate everybody who has written to me, who has said something to me. I'm sorry it's taking me till day 2, but yesterday I said day 1 to upload, and I have the thing where I want to put within the videos when next they're going to see me. So just in case somebody watching my video for the first time, they're like, alright, but I can come back August 5th, but I can't put a time to when the video is going to go up because no, it's lagging. So no, I'm gonna have to look away because my files are being saved at like 40 something gigs for like one of my videos. That's ridiculous. So it has to be 4K. I don't want it to not be 4K. So there's something I can download to compress the files. I don't know if that's still being done. So now I'm gonna have to research that. So everything I'm doing now, it's relatively new to me, but I don't mind because of where I am mentally. I like things to stimulate me, which is why I think and I hope nobody's offended. Like no, let me not say that. But I think differently, and I'm well aware of how I think. So in order for me not to get stressed, and it's literally out of my hands. I honestly can't do anything else about it. I've done everything I could have done, and what I've been hearing God saying is like the same thing, and me going against it, it is agitating me. And I've always said, like, I don't know how to rest, I don't know how to build. So I'm just going to do what I know to do, and just like refocus. Lyric Unplugged did not happen because of where I am, not was where I am mentally. I take my life extremely seriously because nobody else does it for me. So like how I feel, the things I wear, what I do, I consider that greatly because I don't want to make myself uncomfortable because I don't do something unless I want to do it. I am a deliberate human being, and I am not the only one that's like that. There are other people in the world that are deliberate. We are deliberate. We are calculated. I just don't want to mess up what God is doing. So it's almost as if I'm really afraid to move, and I should not have that fear, and that's foolishness. And it has separated me from Him because I have my devotion now while my headspace mess up. So it's that I know when I'm not the near. I know when I stray, I know when I move low. Isn't me? So yeah, I'll always document my journey. I want to thank you guys so much. I have amazing news coming up for MADAV. There's a specific company that I don't know, fingers crossed. It's a black owned small company, but fingers crossed they'll be sponsoring me. So for a company to be doing that with me, I'm like, bitch, your shit's about to be sold out. Like, I'm not gonna stop. Like, period. So yeah, so shout out to them. I can't wait to share with you when I get it. And yeah, I've been feeling really sick. Just sick. I've been having a lot of tummy pains. I just need to get over that. But yeah, so is it too late to say welcome to MADAV? motivated and delivered August videos, MADAV. So the term MADAV came from people calling me a mad woman because of my honesty, and that's just the baseline of it. I'm honest, that's the baseline. So anything, and I said that to say anything you see on screen, on camera, that's who I am. That's legit who I am. Papa. So that I'm frustrated, annoyed, angry, you're always going to get Simone first initially, and then like my afterthoughts. Yes, Papa? You want banana now? Okay. Come. Go look for a brief to put on. I'm going to take off your diaper now. Right, so, and with me, because of how my personality is, it's so in your face. You either like me or you don't like me. That's what I appreciate about me, so you can choose. I have been removing comments from my channel. I have been hiding users from my channel. So if you're wondering, hey, Lyric blocked me. No, if you're watching my video, you're not blocked. You're just hidden from my channel. You can no longer comment because you said some slick shit that either offended me or pissed me off. Or I was like, I have no idea. I'm crazy. I'm a crazy girl. My dad, it came from people just being negative towards me, and whenever I would share something, she a ball again. People are horrible. Like you guys, horrible. Not you, my guys. Like them, you guys. Not you, my guys, but them, you guys. Horrible. So yeah. So yeah, that's the premise of it. So motivated and delivered August videos. So these are going to be a lot of talking, a lot vlogs initially. They're definitely vlog form because yeah, your girl's getting some new opportunities, so we're going to explore it as much as we can. And of course I will integrate makeup. I do have a makeup job tomorrow for a certified class for tomorrow, and yeah, I don't have any more local certified classes. The best part of waking up is smell the coffee in your cup. Stop. Shit, I am in so much freaking pain. Shitos. See me here, Malcolm. No. I can't even bend down to shit. I'm in so much goddamn pain. I genuinely love coffee. As in, no, like dead ass, I love coffee. So, cheers. I miss talking to you guys. I miss vlogging. I miss doing this. I didn't know I'd miss it until I wasn't doing it, but I needed that break, as I said in day one. Which, by the way, these vlogs are going to be every other day. Vlog is still being uploaded for day one, and I'm low-key worried now. I'm gonna have to cancel the upload, find out how I can compress that file. Cheers. Cheers, the egg. Cheers. Alright, so you guys, look.
Hello.
Look, it's been. Wait, no, Jaleel. Wait, no, Jaleel. Jaleel, stop that and wait. So, guys, it has been at 0%. Don't touch it. Don't do that. It has been at 0. Do not touch it. This is me. I do something. It has been at 0% for like 15 minutes. Jaleel, can you please stop?
Hello.
For like 15 minutes, right? So now see MADAV compressed. I'm like, okay, hopefully I compressed this file, but I didn't compress it. I saved it differently, where it's just Oh my god, the struggles of editing. You want to hold it, but you have to wait. No, you have to let it go here and I block it. Wait, no, Jalili, and I go block it. Stop. Alright, so info on this one, right? So this one is 37.77. Right, that's the one that's uncut. That's I saved it differently. And then this one is a compressed, right? I didn't compress it, but I did. Yes, but then I saved it at 4 point. So this is the difference. 37 gigabytes as opposed to 4 gigabytes. So 37 gigabytes as opposed to 4. Easy me, so it should be uploading quicker, but it would seem as if I have to go get a compressor, but I have classes tomorrow. And I think my student knows this because I'm very open. I'm very nervous about classes tomorrow. Because of where I am mentally. It was supposed to happen last week and I couldn't do it because I was not stable enough. Excuse me. You want to go to Claudia? You're hungry. Wait, you can't come in the camera, do have one in it. Fine, sit down. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my pants. So I forgot what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying. My belly really killing me. I really think it's a cyst. It is paining me so bad. It pain me. It make me feel like more vomit, and then it feel like period cramps, and then it just feel like pain, like 3 different pain levels. It's crazy, and I have to be sitting on my side because I can't sit on my bottom because my ass is killing me. I don't know if it's because of what I did last week. I know how that sounds, but it's not that. I'm not judging who does. I'm just saying. Come down. Pain. I'm in pain. It was from a king, come Jalil, where every time he sneezed, he thought that his soul was going to be taken from him. So when they said bless you, it was like saying, okay, your soul can stay. Did you guys know that? I mean, I may be off, but I'm not wrong. So the thing is with me, I try to think about why people do things. You know, just everyday stuff. Like everyday stuff that we've been taught, you know, to apologize for. Like if I'm going to fart, I'm going to apologize for farting. It's natural. I'm going to say excuse me, but I'm not going to say I am sorry. Maybe you say I'm sorry when you do something wrong. Now that them teach you. You guys, I think differently. Oh, that's what I was saying. When I said my head space wasn't there, I'm not talking clinically. I'm talking just me observing me and me understanding where I am mentally and how I'll be able to disseminate information. That is important, which is why I don't understand why teachers that has an entire generation to take care of are so flippy when it comes to education. If you do that again, I don't want to slap you. I'm tell you something in it today, yeah. Watch your hand. What? You want to hold hands too tight? Hold it down. Pull it up some more. Wait, no, Jalila can't pull it down because the pants short, you know? What for go buy yourself? Oh, roll it up? Roll it up or roll it down? Up or down? Which one? Up? Down. Alright, come to me. But remember, say, now go so tall in a Jalil. Look at your pants. See? Your pants short. Say, now go. It's stretch? Yeah, it's stretch a little bit. It now go so tall. You want to change it to a taller pants? Come here. Come here. God. Just come here, no, Jalil. I don't like when you're upsetting. I'm just trying to help you. What is wrong? It is too short. I understand that, but you're in the yard, Jalil, and I need for your color. Oh my God, yeah. Yeah. You're hungry again? You never eat last week? Jesus, Jelly, you eat last week? You eat yesterday? Eat yesterday, eat and you're still hungry? Me have to pick up our fast because some have to get. It's not even at 1%. Sometimes I have to look on which Wi-Fi I'm on. Sir, stop that. I never know something like you. Stop. Oh. Mine. So I want to address something like the elephant in the room, I guess you can say. Something came to me when let me address the elephant in the room first. I didn't say I wasn't going to do vlogs. I was just saying I was going to take a break and that this would be the last vlog for July because remember that we're supposed to go to the 31st. So yeah, that's what happened. Also update, I had postponed Lyric Unplugged, and those who paid have been contacted. If you have not been contacted, I have to check with her if she did. If not, then I will contact you guys. And yeah, but okay, so I was coming over with my friends in, and the whole husband and wife thing come up, you see me? And the Bible says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing. It means that we're already wives. It means that some women aren't wives. So there's a certain quality that makes a woman a wife. Not being married makes her a wife. I have a lot to think about now. Now I'm thinking about common law marriages. And a lot of things back then were done like probably ritualistically, or like for the time, for the place, for the period, and now it's different, you know, like, do we have to be married? You like, hey, calm down. I'm just saying, like, I'm thinking, you know, I'm giving it thought. So, you know, as I think, I'll let my thoughts come to the forefront. But yeah, so for this, I don't know if I'm going to be ending this vlog here, but I want these vlogs to be a little bit longer, and I also want these vlogs to be like every other day, and then I'm going to transition them to being like every 2 days. Is it every 2 days or every 3 days? Like every other day. So like, so I'll do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then I'll do Monday, Thursday. Oh no, that's two. That'll be 2 vlogs a week. Okay, I guess I can do that. So I'll go down from 3 vlogs a week to 2 vlogs a week. You see me? And then if I have like a goal to reach, a quota, you know, something to get done, then I'll obviously do more vlogs. And also if I brand, you know, I'll obviously do a vlog for that brand as well. And it'll be like a bonus vlog or something. So I said this right when I was at Pulse. I just said this to you guys that I have. Yeah, I said it to you guys. I told you guys about sponsor. Yeah, so that's exciting news. And it's hair care, and it's like products as well, and like tools. So it's like a one-stop shop. So that's pretty cool. What else? Yeah, I guess that's it. I have no more update for you. Well, no more update I can say. So yeah. have classes today. Teaching from home. She had contacted me before I had said that I wasn't going to, so I just fulfilling my commitment to her. So I'm doing it from home. So I'm at grandma's, so I'm going to do it here. I'm making some coffee. Excuse me. Then I'm going to just get this vlog up for you guys. I really want to work on having my vlogs longer, but that can be like if I have like stuff to do. Is it me? I'm more while I have stuff to do because I do some things where only can't do know about. I say ideas it. But you know me, I don't hide for too long. So as soon as I'm able to share, I will. But yeah, I want to get my vlogs to at least like half an hour, 40. When I do that, then I'm going to feel a little bit more secure. And I'll be including everything. I just call it vlogs, but everything is included, you know, like talks, makeup, you know, stuff like that. So look at the flick of the wrist. Ooh, look at the flick of the wrist. Ooh. Yeah, imagine him mother. Ain't no woman wicked, you know. Lord of God. His grace is sufficient for me. Jehovah Jireh, my provider. His grace is sufficient for me. My Lord shall supply all my needs according to his riches in glory. He gave his angels charge over me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me. For me, Jehovah Jireh cares for me. Jehovah, his grace is sufficient for me. Say Jehovah, his grace is sufficient for me. Lord Jesus. My Lord shall supply all my needs according to his riches in glory. He gave his angels charge over me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me, for me. So I'm using Jonathan's table, his desk. Oh, I need to alcohol these down. Me, Jehovah, is for me. Joy. I'm at a place where I'm adding the scriptures at different eras, because one, I want to make my videos interesting, and two, I still want to spread awareness, you know. So I have a new way of doing it. I'm pretty excited about it. But this is where I want to end the vlog. And yeah, and it's within this vlog. So it's Philippians 4 verses 6 to 7. It says, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by power and petition with thanksgiving present your request to God, and the peace of God which transcends all understanding will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. This right here is my life. This is what God has been saying to me for months, but because I placed my very own timestamp, I placed my very own goals on what it is that God had told me about, it is almost as if, for me, it was a little bit disrespectful, you know. So I'm just now at a place where I'm waiting, irrespective of what it looks like. I'm waiting, irrespective of how many times I'll have to explain it, and it doesn't matter if it looks dumb to you or not. With me explaining it, I'm literally waiting on God. Look what you're doing, I'm waiting on God. What's happening with I'm waiting on God? And that's just the truth. That's just the truth, because I don't want to have any more anxiety. The biggest thing that was pressuring me, which I have not shared, I have gotten that off my shoulders. So now I have other things that I recognize that I'm placing on myself, and I don't want to do that. You see me? Instead of doing that, what I'm going to do now is just focus on me, focus on doing what I know God wants me to do, so that I'm not anxious. Because anxiety, I don't like how it feels, and it makes me doubt God too much, and I don't want to be in the position to doubt God. It distances me from God. I don't like that. I don't listen to my Bible as often. I don't like it. So anxiety, a mother. So I'm gonna go to my Jesus. I'm gonna be Mary. I'm gonna be the whole with the tall hair. I'm gonna be sitting there, and I'm not gonna be Martha no more. I'm no more Martha. I'm gonna be the Mary. Good.